Hello and welcome back to Dick Barr's Real Estate News You Can Use. I'm Dick Barr, managing broker with the Dick Barr Group at Village Realty in Lindenhurst, Illinois. In today's episode, we're going to talk about today's housing supply and the opportunities that it's going to give you if you're thinking about selling. At first glance, the increase in housing supply compared to last year may not sound like good news for prospective sellers, but it actually gives you two key opportunities in today's housing market. An article from Calculated Risk helps put the inventory gains the market has seen in 2022 into perspective by comparing it to recent years. And see the graph. It shows supply has surpassed 2021 levels by 58%. But the further back you look, the more you'll understand the bigger picture. And if you go all the way back to 2019, the last normal year in real estate, we're roughly 35% below the housing supply we had at that time. Opportunity number one, take advantage of more options for your move. If your current house no longer meets your needs or lacks the space and features you want, this inventory growth gives you even more opportunity to sell and move into the home of your dreams. With more houses on the market, you'll have more to choose from when you search for your next home. Partnering with a local real estate professional can help you make sure that you're up to date on the homes available in your area. And when you do find the one, a professional can advise you on how to write a winning offer. And opportunity number two, when you sell when inventory is still overall low, you win. But again, despite the growth of inventory, it's still low compared to more normal years, and that isn't going to change overnight. For you, that means your house should still be in demand among potential buyers if you price it right. As an article from Realtor.com says, today's shoppers generally have more homes to consider than last year's shoppers did, but the market is still not back to pre-pandemic inventory levels. So here's the bottom line. If you're a homeowner looking to sell, you have more homes to choose from and can still sell your house while inventory is low overall. So let's connect to get you started to have the best of both worlds. Selling in a good seller's market while buying with more housing inventory available. Thanks very much and have a great day.
Home. We spend over 2,000 hours every year away from it, under constant pressure for perfection. Our work-life balance leaves us longing to return home. At the Dick Barr Group, we understand how life's everyday stresses can take their toll on you, which is why we don't rest until we've found you your perfect home. On your time, not ours. Welcome home, America. It's nice to have you home.